today we are going to be making slime. So we have this slime kit, a clay. We have scissors. We have a spoon. We have glues. We have glitter glues, and we also have a clear bowl. Okay. So open this. Now we have the activator. The glue. We have the glitter.
And got more glitter.
Yeah, more glitter and more glue. So these are like glitter glues. So yeah. Okay. So first, I'm going to be putting the first glue in here.
Ooh, oh my God, that is so much.
Yes.
That is so pink.
Oh guys, I almost forgot. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below.
Wow.
Okay, you can. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let me just put it all. Let me not put too much because I'm also gonna put this green glitter glue. Let's put a little bit of this. So here it is, the glitter glue.
Ooh, it's so green.
Let me just put a little bit. Okay, that's all. Now I'm also gonna put this one because it looks. This one is really cool. So. Wow, it looks so cool. It looks so pretty.
Yes. It's so rainbowy.
Yeah, it's so rainbow. It looks rainbow. So. Guys, look, it looks like confetti slime. Okay, here. Mix it really well. It looks good. Okay, now let me add the activator. You can keep on mixing. Go. Wait a second. Oh wait, I think I need to open the inside.
Ooh, this is so glittery. Ooh.
I'm just gonna pour some. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Like this one is not mixing.
Come on. Keep on mixing.
Yes. Okay, guys, it's almost turning slime.
Okay.
Mix. Okay, mix. Mix faster. Mix. Okay. Yeah, that's starting to be good.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
That is so fat.
Oh my god. Because it's like,
It looks like water.
oh my god, it's turning slime. Okay, it's turning slime. Okay, can you help me pour the activator in? There, that's the activator.
Wait.
That, the clear one.
This?
Yeah, take that. Be careful! You need to be careful. Okay, pour it a little. Just a little. Okay, so go grab that, put it, pour it.
Yes.
This, pour it. Pour it. Pour it a little. Pour it. Pour it. Okay. Thank you. That was good.
It's finished.
It's not finished. Put it away from you or else it's going to fall. Okay, be careful.
It's so sticky.
Okay.
Brown.
Okay. Yeah,
What
okay, so
cut?
okay, open it. Okay, let me put some confetti slime.
Oh, it looks like a Play-Doh.
Yeah, take it out. Yeah, put it in here inside.
Ah.
put more.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, guys.
A little bit so much.
Okay, let me put this.
More.
Okay,
Put in.
okay, let me put it. Put it in.
And more again.
Yeah, sure. Okay, it's stretching. Stretching.
Whoa.
Yes.
And it's full of this.
Okay.
Hey.
Oh my god, guys.
Can I try?
No. Wait, I'm still fixing. Still sticky.
Ugh.
Okay, grab more. Because I think we need more. Because the slime is not fixed yet.
So
It's like
sticky.
still sticky, but like I think it's going to
It's
be
so
fixed.
sticky.
Yeah. Okay. I think you touched the wrong place of the slime. I think you touched the sticky one. The sticky place. I think you touched it like a while ago when it was still very sticky. Okay,
I
guys.
want to take.
Take what? What?
I don't know.
Okay, wait. Okay, you're going to touch the slime right after we finish putting clay. So look at this clay. It looks really,
Can I play with the slime?
yes. Oh my god, guys, look! It's actually really, really pretty in real life.
Wait.
Be careful. It's really still sticky. It's still really sticky. Wait a second. It still like
Yeah.
so sticky. So, it looks like butter slime. It's like butter slime.
It's not.
It's mixed. Oh my god, it's actually fluffy slime, to be honest. If you look closely, it looks like butter slime. I mean, like cloud slime. Fluffy
Some
slime.
people like this video.
Yeah. Okay, guys, you guys really should like this video. And we're
Some bad people don't like this video.
so. Here, you can use this.
Whoa. It's so sticky. Whoa.
That's not sticky anymore, so yeah, you can use that because you don't like sticky here.
Oh my
Put some of
god.
these in.
It's so fluffy.
Already has his own slime because that one's not sticky. It's like full of that activator.
I can.
So I'm gonna make it not sticky anymore.
Oh,
It's
they
almost
have
not
a loaf.
Yeah, there's like so many.
Yeah,
because it's
balloon.
confetti slime. Yeah,
What's your loaf?
my love is inside. Yep. Oh my god, slime.
Oh my god.
So this is actually our first time. This is actually my first. Wait, it's my second time. It's my second time, to be honest. So yeah, we're really
It's
happy.
just
So this is
sticky.
all that's left. It's like full of activator and stuff. So it's literally slime. It's really slimy now. And it's just a little bit sticky, but I'm sure I can fix it. So
Perfect.
so it's really, really pretty in real life. It's like literally huge. It's not really
And it
huge,
is-
but it's normal.
Oh,
Like a
whoa.
normal.
It looks like blue.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Oh my
So
God.
this is what it looks like. It looks really, really pretty. It actually looks pretty. This is Aryan's one. Show them. Here, show them.
See?
That's Aryan's slime. Yeah, it's not really sticky. Aryan's slime is not really sticky. Mine is kind of sticky. Like you see that. It's really good. It's like super stretchy and like
Try
yeah, it's my first good slime because like
Try it.
my other slime.
Hey, try you
Yeah.
play my slime.
I'm gonna try and feel it.
It's too soft.
Yes, soft.
And
oh,
sticky.
it's jiggly. It's almost jiggly, like you see. It jiggles. Jiggly slime.
This is a lele.
Yeah, it's jiggly.
Oh.
See this?
Woo.
Look. Oh, it looks like Spider-Man. Aryan loves Spider-Man. He has
He
like
loves-
Spider-Man sweaters and stuff. This is
You
mine.
live what?
I love Batman, I think. But
I
oh
love-
no, I love Wonder Woman. She's literally so pretty and very
Yes.
very strong.
No.
So yeah, this
It's
is
stronger.
bye everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below. Which one is your favorite slime? This or that? That's jiggly slime. This is fluffy slime. So bye everyone. See you in our next video.